Hello invaders, you are welcome to a brand new series on React. In this series, I'll be sharing my knowledge of the best practices in React to help you become a competent React developer so that you can build some cool and amazing websites or even land a job if that's what you want. So, in this introduction video, I'll go over what React is, why you should learn React, and what are the prerequisite knowledge for learning React with me along in this series. So what is React? React is an open source JavaScript library used to create user interfaces. User interfaces is simply the part of our application which the user can see and interact with. This includes buttons and inputs and every other things we can see on screens. Therefore, the React library can be used to create this front end part of our application which our users would be interacting with. Let's get into why you should learn React. Why should you learn React? The first reason you should learn React is because it is fairly easy to learn and it is in high demand. This simply means that you can pick up the React skills quite quickly if you are very diligent, and it's also in high demand. There are tons of jobs out there for React developers. All you need to do is to get competent at it. The second reason you should learn React is because you can easily transition into mobile development with React Native in the future. React Native is also a JavaScript library for building hybrid apps, which means it is used to build both iOS and Android apps. By learning React, you can easily learn React Native because it is not so different. The third reason you should learn React is because React has a large ecosystem that supports it. This ecosystem is made up of developers and resources and packages. With React, there are hundreds or millions of developers that use React. Therefore, if you get into trouble, you are most likely going to have someone come to your aid. Now, what are the prerequisites for learning React with this series? In order to learn React using this series or along with me, you will need a basic understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which are the foundational web technologies. You will also need to know the modern ESX features of JavaScript, such as array functions, import and export, arrays, and object destruction. Now, if you don't know these ESX features or you don't understand these concepts which I just mentioned, don't worry, in this series, I'll try my very best to provide you with a brief, concise, and precise explanations of these concepts and features as and when they are needed so that you can get along in the series. Either ways, if you would like to grab a quick course or refresher on these concepts, I've got them on the channel which you can check out. In our next lesson, we'll download the necessary tools we'll be using to build our React apps and also build our very first basic React app. I can't wait to get into it, and I'll see you in the next video.